Woohoo! You're back. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now we're in the home stretch. What we have to do is think about what we just did. The last line of code was Astronaut move to Humvee. And that's all well and good until the Humvee starts moving. Because right now, the astronaut is not glued to the Humvee. Let me play the world and show you what I mean. Good. Then the astronaut's going to wave. And the Humvee should roll. And then astronaut move to Humvee. That was the last line of code that we did. But if you recall, we also made that one event that allows us to use the arrow keys to move the Humvee. So let's go. Ooh. See what I mean? The Humvee is able to move away, but the astronaut stays put. So what we want to do is figure out how to glue this astronaut to this Humvee. How are we going to do it? The vehicle property. Wow, vehicle property. Okay, back on track. The astronaut comes with, oops, I need to save. Whenever this pops up, always click save now. Always. So to get to the astronaut's properties, you click on astronaut, and then you come down to astronaut's details, and then over to the tab that says properties. You can see that there are a lot of properties here, like color, skin texture, whether or not you can actually see the object in the world. But right now, we're focusing on the vehicle property. It's currently set to world, but after we move this astronaut to the Humvee, we want to change the vehicle. We want to change the vehicle of the astronaut to be the Humvee. Put another way, when the Humvee moves, we want the astronaut to move. So again, what did I do? I clicked on vehicle, and I drag and drop the property into the method editor. I let go, and I clicked on Humvee, entire Humvee. So now, your My First Method should look like this. Please be sure that you're in My First Method and not in some other method tab. So let's bring it all together. We're going to make the astronaut say something. So we're going to click on the Methods tab here on the left side. And we're going to click on and drag and drop astronaut say. What do we want the astronaut to say? Let's say we want him or her to say, use the arrow keys to drive me around. And that's neither hello nor goodbye, so we're going to click on other. So what did I say? I want the astronaut to say, use the arrow keys to drive me around. Exclamation. Let's put two more. Okay. Use the arrow keys to drive me around. Once you have the spelling right, you can put as many exclamations as you want. You can put a period if you really, are not feeling peppy today. But I put 3. So I'm done. I want to click on OK. Now we have that new line. And it's kind of a long sentence to read. So we want to change how long it shows. So how to do that? We click on More. There's this little triangle right next to more ... It says more ... triangle. And come down to where it says duration. And how long? That's too short. Let's make it 4 seconds. And of course we have to click on other because 4 is not listed already. Just click on 4 and then click OK. Now your code should look something like this. Okay, this is our last pulling it together. And how we're going to do it, we're going to press the mighty play button. Are you ready? You ready, guys? Are you nervous? Don't be nervous. Let's click it. So it's doing exactly what we wanted it to do. Then the astronaut does a nice wave. Humvee does a roll. Use the arrow keys to drive me around. Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. So here we are. This is the final test. Will the astronaut move with the Humvee? The world may never. Let's try it. Yeah, yep, it works. Woohoo! Spinning around. And you guys can just play around with this world. Your first Alice world. I'm really proud of you guys. You bared with me. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And I just want you to know that there are a lot more exciting things you can do with Alice. This is just the first step. So I hope that you continue on, keep trucking, keep exploring, and visit the Duke Adventures in Alice programming website for more tutorials, just like this one. So I'd give you, the website, www.cs.duke.edu, something really long. So just search Alice Duke Tutorials. You'll find it.